Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best airbrush kits for car enthusiasts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone on this list. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Spray Magic Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. This kit is a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists, thanks to its smart start-stop technology and compact design. The compressor automatically adjusts airflow, kicking in at pressures below 17 psi and stopping above 28 psi. This not only ensures stable performance, but also protects the compressor from unnecessary wear. It also supports external air bottles, which adds an extra layer of stability for those longer painting sessions. The design of the Spray Magic kit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or transport. The dual-action airbrush gun allows you to control both air and paint flow, providing precision for detailing tasks. The kit includes a 0.3mm needle, a cleaning brush set, and other essential accessories, making it beginner-friendly. However, while the compressor can handle pressures up to 50 psi, most practical tasks are performed at lower pressures, which may feel limiting for advanced users. At just $69.99, this kit is a budget-friendly option with some great features. It's perfect for smaller projects like nail art, tattoos, and model cars. On the downside, the relatively low maximum pressure and smaller nozzle size may not be suitable for larger or more intricate car detailing tasks. But overall, it's a fantastic entry-level kit that provides good value for the price. At number 4, we have the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, a budget-friendly option at just $59.99. Despite its low price, this kit packs a surprising amount of power with an impressive maximum pressure of 48 psi. The 3 adjustable pressure settings, 25 psi, 30 psi, and 40 psi, offer flexibility for a variety of tasks, from art painting to car detailing. This dual-action airbrush gun allows you to control the flow of paint and air with precision, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The design of the Gocheer kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. It comes with 3 replaceable nozzles, 0.2mm, 0.3mm, and 0.5mm, allowing for detailed work and broader coverage. The inclusion of a cleaning kit, oil-water separator, and multiple capacity cups adds to its versatility. However, the build quality feels a bit less durable compared to higher-end models, and some users report occasional clogging issues during extended use. Overall, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit is a fantastic choice for those on a budget who still want a versatile and capable airbrush system. It's great for smaller projects, but its build quality and occasional performance hiccups may make it less ideal for professional or heavy-duty use. Still, at this price point, it's hard to beat. Taking the number 3 spot is the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor Professional Airbrushing System Kit. This kit stands out for its robust build and versatility, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. The star of the show is the 1/5 HP single-piston compressor, equipped with dual cooling fans that prevent overheating during long sessions. This means you can work on larger car detailing projects without interruption. The kit includes 3 different airbrush models, the dual-action G22 and G25 for precision and detail work, and the single-action E91 for broader applications. With multiple nozzle sizes and siphon bottles included, this kit can handle a range of tasks from automotive graphics to cake decorating. The package also comes with a double-sided color mixing wheel and a cleaning brush set, adding more value to the overall offering. At $129.99, this kit offers excellent performance and durability. However, the noise level of 65 dB may be a bit high for those working in quieter environments. Additionally, the learning curve for using multiple airbrushes might be daunting for complete beginners. That said, if you're looking for a versatile airbrush system that can handle a wide variety of projects, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 is a fantastic investment. Coming in at number 2, we have another excellent offering from Master Airbrush, the Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor Dual Fan. This kit shares many similarities with the third-place entry, but it's slightly more refined in its accessory offerings. The 1/5 HP compressor with dual cooling fans ensures long-lasting performance, even during heavy-duty projects. This is a great choice for car enthusiasts who need reliability for intricate detailing work. The kit includes 3 Airbrush models, the G22, G25, and E91, each designed for specific tasks. Whether you need fine detail or broader coverage, this kit has you covered. The included 6-color acrylic paint set is a nice bonus, particularly for beginners who want to start practicing right away. The cleaning set and quick start guide ensure that maintenance and setup are straightforward even for first-time users. Priced at $129.99, this kit offers excellent value for the number of accessories and the high-quality compressor. However, the weight of 9 pounds makes it less portable compared to lighter models, and the 65 dB noise level could be a drawback for some. Despite these minor cons, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 remains a top choice for anyone serious about airbrushing. And finally, the #1 spot goes to the InnoCraft Airbrush Kit with air compressor. This premium option is perfect for car enthusiasts who demand precision, power, and quiet operation. The 1/6 HP compressor delivers consistent 34 psi output with an impressively low noise level of just 47 dB, making it ideal for those who prefer a quieter workspace. The adjustable pressure valve and oil-water separator further enhance its performance. The kit includes a dual-action airbrush with 3 interchangeable nozzle sizes, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm, allowing you to switch effortlessly between fine details and larger coverage areas. The cleaning kit and beginner-friendly guide make it easy to maintain and use, even for novices. The inclusion of 4 airbrush paint colors is a thoughtful addition, perfect for those just starting out. At $165.99 anywhere. The InnoCraft Airbrush Kit is the most expensive on our list, but it's worth every penny. It's a complete package that meets the needs of both beginners and advanced users. The only downside is its higher price point, which may not suit everyone's budget. However, if you're serious about airbrushing and want a premium experience, this is the kit to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy airbrushing!